Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and as a student, I'm in love with this VECKUSON extra large laptop backpack. I'm a massage therapy student, and between textbooks and massage sheets, I have a lot to take to school and back. This is the perfect backpack. It has 2 large pockets, 2 medium-sized pockets, and 3 small pockets. And I'm not kidding when I say it can literally fit anything I can carry. It fits my laptop, my tablet, textbooks, notebooks, supplies, and massage sheets, and I could honestly fit more. It's so heavy duty that I know I'm just gonna have it for years past school, which is perfect for when I'm a practitioner. And I'm also excited to use it when I go camping and hiking, and it's also just perfect for travel. I love how comfortably it sits on my back. The back and shoulder pads are well padded and comfortable, and they don't dig in when I have a lot of weight. I generally can't think of anything that would make it any better. It's just perfect for my needs. So if you're a student or a frequent traveler or an outdoorsman, I definitely recommend it. So now you know. Try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.